Welcome to TechIQ. Today we are learning about how to crimp an Ethernet cable. First, take all necessary tools like crimping tool, RJ45 connector, Ethernet cable, wire stripping cutter, LAN tester. Take Ethernet cable and use wire stripping cutter to strip upper layer of Ethernet cable. Now, separate all twisted pair from Ethernet cable and straight it. Currently, we have to connect two pieces, so we will use cross cabling. Now do all cable in sequence with color code as shown in figure. Straight all the cable, then cut all straight pair into one line and insert into RJ45 connector. Cut all straight pair into one line and insert into RJ45 connector. Now RJ45 connector with cable insert into crimping tool and pressed it. Now we are doing second side crimping. Remove all unnecessary items from cable. If you are face speed issue, then check your LAN cable pairs with the help of LAN tester. Now we will check port in the switch, whether port is up or not. You all understood the process of crimping an Ethernet cable. Keep supporting TechIQ with your like, share and subscribe. Thank you.